Batteries. They've become so ingrained to our way of life, you probably don't think much about them. But if you're ready to consider a powerful, profitable alternative, stay tuned for the next few minutes. Over 15 billion batteries are produced and consumed every year. The majority of them are the use them once, throw them away type that wind up in our landfills. Even if you ignore how toxic and threatening this is to our environment, it is costing the typical family of four over $200 every year. Multiply that by 78 years, our average lifespan, and the sum becomes over $15,000. Have you ever considered what would happen if every family just stopped buying throwaway batteries? Right now, we are bombarded with messages from a cute little pink energy bunny and a serious-looking copper top, urging us to buy more and more batteries to keep up with our ever-increasing demand for portable electronics. But like I said, I doubt most of us even consider how many batteries we use. But it all starts at birth. That's right, babies bring us batteries. First the baby monitor, the baby toys, the baby swing, and of course the digital camera for baby pictures. Then our battery consumption follows us through the early years: video game controllers, remote control cars, a host of electronic games, and even calculators and other electronics we use for learning. Later in life, we graduate to the finer gadgets: portable CD players, DVD players, MP3 players. At home and at work, we use our wireless computer keyboards and our wireless mouse. Golfers use portable GPS units, and the tailgaters use portable TVs and radios. They all use batteries, and lots of them. And of course, all this time, the digital camera is constantly flashing. To save energy, we use an electronic thermostat powered by batteries, and we have a selection of personal care items, including the electronic toothbrush, hair trimmers, nose trimmers, dog and cat nail clippers, and other personal electronics, all run by batteries. Now, I haven't even mentioned the usual suspects: the flashlight and its younger brother, the pen light, and don't forget the TV remote, or should I say remotes. It's the DVD remote, the cable box remote, and all the other remotes. And finally, there are the smoke detectors, the carbon monoxide detectors, and motion detectors. Have I forgotten anything? I'm sure I have. Each family has their own supply of electronics that need batteries. But there's no need to constantly buy batteries year after year. Now, before you decide to turn me off, let me assure you I am not talking about the typical rechargeable batteries, the kind that you've tried in the past and gave up on. I'm also not referring to the cheap, ineffective battery chargers that overcook the batteries, or low-power rechargeables that never seem to hold their charge. What I am talking about is new technology, batteries so powerful and chargers so intelligent that they make it easy to use, with no disappointments. I'm talking about a way for you to stop throwing batteries away, and how to share this concept with your family, friends, and neighbors, and a great way to earn extra money in the meantime. The Smart Battery Club is a group of families, individuals, and organizations that have chosen not to buy throwaway batteries anymore. Collectively, they save thousands of dollars every year because they've made the switch to money-saving, planet-saving, 0-watt rechargeable technology. Now, before I get into our new 0-watt technology, let me give you a quick history. Our parent company, the Horizon Group, has been providing superior recharging systems to churches and schools, the military, photographers, and the entertainment industry for over 15 years. One of our larger clients, I'm sure you've heard of them, Cirque du Soleil, well, they were throwing about 500,000 batteries away every year and spending $1,000 per week on batteries. But since making the switch to our rechargeables, they save over $50,000 a year. We've also helped over 25,000 schools and churches and theaters save money with our rechargeable technology. And now it's time to pass these savings on to families. With the introduction of 0-watt technology, coupled with our Max-E rechargeable batteries, families can kick the disposable battery habit. They can save money, protect the planet, and profit by telling their friends and neighbors. 0-watt battery chargers are the ultimate money-saving, planet-saving green battery machine. This is how it works. The 0-watt battery charger is so advanced it automatically shuts itself off and disconnects from the power source when it's done charging the batteries. This saves you money on your electric bill by eliminating standby power consumption. Our Max-E rechargeable batteries stay charged for over a year. There's no need to leave these batteries on the charger. You can take them off, store them on a shelf or in a drawer, just like disposables. No more dead batteries. Plus, the batteries can be recharged up to 1,000 times. They last longer than alkalins per charge, and they can be used in all of your portable electronics. The 0-watt rechargeable system virtually eliminates the need to ever buy throwaway batteries again. And it's so easy to get started. First, take a quick inventory of your battery usage. How many of each battery size do you need? Remember, with Max-E batteries, you can leave the batteries in your electronic device and they stay charged while dormant up to 1 year. Most appliances today use AA's, so make sure you have enough. Obviously, what good is using rechargeable batteries if you don't have any charged and ready to go? Next step is to choose the 0-watt charger or chargers that best suit your needs. Most families choose the Powerline 5 charger for their stationary charger at home and the Powerline 4 for on-the-go charging. The Powerline 5 will charge all sizes, AA's, AAA's, C's, D's, and 9-volt batteries. The Powerline 4 charges AA and AAA only, and it can be used at home as a spare charger or in the car with the car adapter. Keep in mind, you will not need to store the batteries on the charger after they are charged, so you do not need a charging slot for every battery you purchase. You will be able to charge the batteries and then store them in a drawer or on the shelf. Also remember, you are buying batteries for many, many years to come. While many families have learned to store up on batteries by buying them in bulk, you are essentially doing the same thing, except each battery you buy can be used up to 1,000 times, not just once. We guarantee it is much less expensive to buy a battery once than it is to buy 1,000 batteries, even when you consider the cost of the charging unit. But saving money is not the only guarantee we offer. We also guarantee you'll be completely satisfied with your battery and charger purchase. If for any reason you are not happy with how easy it is to use our products or how well they work, return them for a full refund during the 30 days after you've purchased and tried our product. And finally, because you'll be using these products for many years to come, the products are backed by an extended manufacturer's warranty at no extra cost. Once you've selected your batteries and chargers, proceed to the checkout. During checkout, you will automatically be directed to join the Smart Battery Club. Now let me spend a few moments explaining the Smart Battery Club and why you will want to join. This truly is a no-brainer. It costs you nothing to join. It's absolutely free, and we make it so easy to tell your friends and neighbors about it via email, Facebook, Twitter, or on your website. Here's how it works. When friends and neighbors purchase a product, you are sent a commission. You also receive what we call second-tier commissions on your friends' sales. For example, if you refer Mary and she buys a product, and Mary refers Jack and Jack buys a product, you will earn commissions both on Mary's purchases and Jack's purchases too. This is great for members who belong to or lead organizations such as a church congregation, an association, or a civic group. You'll find that it doesn't take very long to build up quite a referral list. When you join, you are given access to your own password-protected members area, where you can access promotional materials that are personalized with a unique code so your sales are accurately tracked. We make it very easy to implement. All you do is copy, paste, and collect the commissions. You can also check on your sales and track your commissions in real time. Please go to the Smart Battery Club information page for program details. Finally, understand that participation in the club is completely optional. You may still purchase the products and not join the club. We are not interested in hype or high-pressure sales tactics. However, the more families you refer, the lower your initial cost will be to switch to rechargeables. It is our goal to see as many families as possible convert to money-saving rechargeables and 0-watt technology. Our Smart Battery Club families save money, make money, and they take a huge dent out of the 15 billion batteries being dumped into landfills around the world. This is your opportunity to join us. Thanks for watching. Click the Get Started link now to begin saving.